So, inuulit ko po tayo sa ginagatat sa San Antonio, Zambales. The guns please be ready. So, titignan niyo po yung ating gunner. We'll have the bore sighting. After which, the chief section is now laying the gun using the aiming circle and other reference points to orient the gun.
Ayun po, tumatakbo na po yung ating Triple C Fort Maricar.
As you can see, the stickman is planting his stick as a reference when sighting the given target. Ayan po, nakita natin kung gaano kabilis ang ating stickman.
Fort Maricar, Triple C.
At least yung nagkakalug na.
Fort Maricar, sir, Triple C. Fort Maricar, sir, Triple C.
Now the gun is laid.
Triple C, Triple C.
The regiment is ready
Target
to receive
location
target
379 24 48 169. Over.
Correct. 3 enemy brigade. Platoon 5 rounds in effect. Fire at my command. Over.
3 enemy brigade. Platoon 5 rounds in effect. Fire when ready. Over.
The FTC then gives the
Correction. Fire at my command. Over.
The FTC then gives the computed firing data to the chief of section. Subsequently, the chief section shouts the computed firing data to the gun crew in a firing position.
Triple C.
Then the gunner and the assistant gunner will now set the deflection and quadrant elevation based on the computed firing data. Finally, the chief of section shouts, "Gun ready!" towards FTC, saying that the gun is now ready to fire. Paalala po sa ating lahat,
Gun ready. Request advice.
malakas
Over.
po ang putok ng ating 155 at 105.
Safety. Gun ready. Request advice, sir.
The commander given already the authority to fire.
Safety. Gun ready. Request advice. Gary, fire at will.
Fire at will.
Sams.
Ginoon pa.
Gantry. Sir. Load. Challenge times 1. Use quick. 16. Load. Fight. Load.
Silid natin droga. Para hit niya. witnessed the Artillery Battalion of the Philippine Marine Corps conducting a notional counter-landing operations against a notional foreign aggressor trying to reach our beaches and invade the country. So counter-landing means we need to prevent them from landing in our beaches. So we use our artillery to prevent these landings. And nakita nyo naman how our artillerymen did it na just one salvo, ano?
Yes, sir.
Just one salvo, they took out the target. The target took the form of an amphibious ship trying to go inward to our beaches. And yeah, I'm satisfied with the result kasi first salvo natamaan ka agad yung target.
Target get hit. Yung mga nasa malapit po sa ating 155.
Lino Alpha. Garin. Garin in Alpha.
We were supposed to be here yesterday pa. Pero ngayon lang na-implement to. And in doing so, we need to, again, babalikan namin yung different doctrines, different way of doing things. Kasi nga, nasanay kami sa counter-terrorism. At we admit, ngayon lang ulit namin ito gagawin na territorial defense. We are always prepared. Itong nakikita ninyo, our hindi new eh. Our battle cry is the most ready force. We look at ourselves as when contingency comes or when contingency builds up, we look at it na the national government look at us also as the most prepared to be used or to be utilized for such contingency.